So I'm out here in front of Weta Cave, Weta Workshop's very own little museum and tour. Unfortunately, I can't take videos or pictures while on the tour, but I can. Unfortunately, I can't take video or picture while on the tour, but I can take photos of the museum inside. Now, some of you might be wondering, what's Weta do? What? Wetas, those little insects? Yeah, that's what it was named after, the little Weta insects. So Weta Workshop is known for doing a variety of visual effects, from physical effects all the way to digital effects. And a variety of movies, including Avatar, Tomb Raider, Stranger Things, Kingdom of Heaven, and, most importantly for this video, Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit. Which brings me to this. This is the very first segment of where I wander around finding all the filming locations from the now 20-plus-year-old movie series Lord of the Rings. Really something I wish I'd done a long time ago, but hey, here we are. Never too late.
I'm old, Gandalf.
Which is why I'm staying here at Weta Cave, along with my new bestest best pal in the whole wide world, Cave Troll number 3. Say hi, Cave Troll number 3. Hi, Cave Troll number 3. Good job. Let's roll.
Now, unfortunately, Cave Troll number 3 wasn't allowed to get in. And neither was I, honestly. But I snuck in anyway, but I had to be very quiet. So that is why I'm giving this talk over all these moving pictures I took. Now, Weta Cave is quite small, very cozy, but it is full of really cool displays and a lot of knickknacks that you can buy, which is generally pretty cool. Again, it's not all from Lord of the Rings. You've got all the other things Live Me meant. But the day was moving on, so I had to get moving. Not far, just to Mount Victoria, landing in a very specific car park just for this journey, from which you can easily leg it to the Hobbit's Hideaway in the way of the Nazgul. Or you could take your time and enjoy the scenery. There are even a few benches to relax upon along the way.
And now, here I am at the Hobbit's Hideaway. One of my favourite parts of the movie, where finally the terrifying Nazgul are coming in contact with our heroic hobbits. At this point, we've seen them both separately. The hobbits are just starting to make a journey that they're not quite ready for, and they've got their own fears about that.
This is it. This is what? If I take one more step, it'll be the farthest away from home I've ever been.
And on the other side, we've seen how terrifying the Nazgul can be, slashing their way through anyone that comes near them.
Who goes there?
This is that first confrontation between these two opposing forces that really brings the fear of the situation in hand.
I think it's time for a competition. Which is better? Vote in the comments below.
Get off the road! Quick! Be quiet.
Get off the road. Quick!
Now to finish it off, the way of the Nazgul.
Around here, this is apparently the way of the Nazgul, which it's had a few improvements since their time. Less likely they're going to be able to fall off their horses and tumble down the edge. I guess that's why there was only one Nazgul at the Hobbit Hideaway area. Now, of course, the movie would have probably been completely different had there been these signs stopping them. They would have just barred their way anyway. What am I saying? They probably were there. Just no point in us seeing them. Not exactly law-worthy citizens. Not exactly law-abiding citizens. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
That little pup may have failed me, but I will have my revenge. After my treat. Nom 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 nom.